Alright folks, I think this is everything I need to repair the bunk on my trailer. Measured them out this morning. They were 8 foot 7 inches, so I had to go get two 10-footers because they don't have 8 foot 7 inch boards. So stay tuned. I'm just gonna tack one end on here so it don't move. I got it measured out pretty good, so just want to tack it on there. Okay. Get the other end done here. I got a straight edge running underneath this side. Oh, I done goofed up. Alright. I ain't no carpenter, folks. I promise you. I know you can do it better, I promise. I know you probably do it different too. I am not a carpenter. I'm gonna do the same thing with this end as I did the other end. I'm just gonna tack it on here for right now. Alright. I guess it's like wrapping a Christmas present, I reckon. So and I can fill these in later, I reckon. Alright, so guess I'm gonna use some of this stuff here. Maximum Strength Gorilla. Says right there it works underwater. So I think I got the right stuff. Like I said, I am no carpenter. Yeah. So y'all probably gonna have fun yelling at the screen, no, not like that, come on. I can hear it now. Leave it in the comments, I want to hear about it. Probably should have watched a video on YouTube how to do this the right way, but I think it'll do just fine. I guarantee you it won't come apart. What do y'all think? Think I'm doing it wrong? I think I'm doing it wrong. Time will tell. sit here and dry. It probably not going to dry real good because it's kind of cold out. I don't know. I don't know if this is going to be wide enough or not. No, it ain't. I don't think I have another one. That ain't gonna be wide enough either. Go. All right. Can you say uh-oh? I knew I was met. Oh, no, never mind. Never mind. We got it. Wrong board. Alrighty. Well, we got it put together. We're just gonna have to get it out there. I'm gonna have to put the boat in the water. And I'm not gonna jack the boat up. As you can see, my boat's a mess. But I will jack the boat up and, or no, I'm not gonna jack the boat up. I'm sorry. There you go. I got it laying on top of the boat right now, and I got all my gear out, as you can see. So yeah, I got the material to do one more. So I learned some stuff from the first one, so when I go to replace the other one, it'll be ready. But check out my new shirt. That's right. Alright guys, we're back at the, oops, looks like I'm gonna have to climb up. Well, I think I can get around. 1, 2, 3. Wish I had a trailer extension so I didn't have to climb up in the bed of the truck. But we're going to continue trailer bunk repair. That's right, folks. I'm gonna go tie this off, hopefully without falling in. Make sure I got, oh, yep, got my key. Tie off on the port side here. The wind will keep it tight to the dock. While we're at it, let's see what the water temperature is. That'll decipher whether I come out here or not. Motor's cold. higher than it was. What was it? 2 weeks ago I was out here. I was going to go up the road from the house and finish this trailer repair, but for some reason we don't have a dock there, and it was really muddy, and well, I didn't want to get involved with the muds. Everywhere else I go's got a boat ramp. Alright. Up. 54 degrees. It's actually warmer here than it is on the river, so that's good. All right, folks. Looks like we got 3 15mm bolts on this thing. There we go. Oh. Yeah, that came out too easy. I guess that's why it's time to... Well, that one's about to fall out. Uh-oh. I got a feeling I should have checked this side out. Well, I didn't finish the other one, so we'll definitely do that when I get home. Oh, yeah. Looks like I'm gonna have to replace them both. I knew I should have. I got another one at the house. Ooh, that thing's waterlogged and heavy. Having camera issues here. So we'll go ahead and line this up the best we can. This is pretty solid still. I'm gonna have to tighten the other end though. Make sure I line these up. I didn't bring my tape measure, so I'm gonna have to eyeball it for now. Dadgummit, I didn't even think about that. That looks pretty good. Try and get it in the middle. Like I said, I'm no carpenter or expert at this. So feel free to criticize me. It won't hurt my feelings. I promise.